How to turn on roaming on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on roaming on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll until you find here mobile network. Click on it and then you need to find mobile data and click on it again. And as you see here, you will find mobile data settings. Now all you need to do is just you need to find this one, data roaming, and click on it and then click OK. And as you see, data roaming have been turned on, and you can turn it off again just by one click, and that's it. It's easy. And just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to turn on data roaming on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.